Okay, Johnny, it's time to put your little hot rod radio together. You got the radio and this is the actual, what do they call it? The actual power part of the radio. This is RF board. And there's your case. And there's your peripheral parts, and knobs, and antenna. Old digitizer, which you can see is cracked right here. Took a pretty good little smack right there. And the new digitizer. Let's see if I can successfully transplant this for you. Okay, old screen is off of the little plastic housing. New screen is installed. Now just to assemble all these bits and pieces back together and see if it works. Here is the semi-assembled radio. Does that look recognizable at least? We're getting there. Looky there, Johnny. It all went back together. Now, the moment of truth. What do we see? Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. Looky there. Looky there. I believe it's healed. Voila. Now I wonder if it'll transmit.